and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your non-removable straps and turn them into adjustable removable straps. Now in this video I will be showcasing this beautiful bucket bag. This is the Michelle must-have bucket bag by Ellie and Mac. I will leave the link for this beautiful bag in the description box below. As you can see, it is very simple, understated, no hardware, just very minimalist. But it doesn't have the option of doing an adjustable strap. So I'm going to show you how you can take this strap and make it into an adjustable one for this beautiful purse. Okay, so I already have my strap prepared, and so we're gonna go over some of the hardware you're going to need to be able to make an adjustable strap or a removable adjustable strap. So this is the adjustable strap hardware. As you can see, there are 3 bars. These are the ones that I most commonly come across. They have a movable bar in the middle, but you can find ones like these or more decorative ones, but I'm fairly certain I pulled these off of some old purses, so these ones will probably be a little bit more harder to find. Something like this, which is plastic, has the same 3 bars and is great for things that you know might get wet, you're not worried about rusting, things like that. So these are the adjustable hardwares. I'm using this one. It is 1 inch wide, so they do come in different widths. So depending on the width of your strap, mine is a 1 inch strap, so I'll be using a 1 inch adjustable hardware. I'll leave some links in the description box where I like to get some of my hardware. Now, if you're planning on making this a removable strap, then you're going to need something like this, which is called a swivel clasp. They come in all different shapes and sizes, but when you're working with these, the measurement is going to be in this part here. So again, you'll need a 1 inch swivel clasp, and that is going to measure this so that the strap goes through here and it will fit nicely. So if you're going to be making it a removable strap, you're definitely going to need 2 of these plus the adjustable hardware. So I'm still going to make my strap non-removable. So I'm not going to be using my swivel clasp, but I do need a piece of hardware that's going to allow my strap to adjust, and that's where this little guy is going to come in. It looks very similar to the adjustable strap hardware, but it just doesn't have a bar in the middle. This is called a square or rectangle ring. You can also use a D-ring. So again, I'll have links in the description box for different options that you can use for this piece. Now this is going to be a demonstration and not necessarily me actually making the bag, but hopefully this will be something that you can kind of hack with some of the bag patterns that you already have, such as the Ellie and Mac bucket bag pattern, because that is a non-removable strap, but I know there was some mention of being able to change the strap into an adjustable one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is my strap. Again, this is going to be a longer strap because we have to add in that adjustable capability. So in the actual pattern, it's going to be 20 inches long, but we're going to make it 40 inches long just to make sure we have a lot of room to be able to adjust our strap. Okay, so if we're making a non-removable strap, you are going to need a little piece of extra strap. I usually just make my strap longer and then cut off about 4 inches. If you're going to be making it with the removable hardware, then you will need 2 of these pieces for each of the swivel clasp and D-rings. Okay, so let's look at our hardware. The ones that have the movable bar, there will be a right or wrong side, and that's because the bar here bends over the back of it. So you can see that there. So we're going to take our strap and we are going to slip it through the hardware, and then we're going to move that strap or move the bar and then take the other side and put it through. So as you can see now, we only see the nice side of the bar, and when we flip it over, we won't see where it folds over, and it looks really nice. So now what we're going to do is we're going to push the strap through just to make it nice and big, okay? And then we're going to take the end that we already put through, we're going to put this little guy on here, and we're going to take the end and put it back through that adjustable hardware, like that. And then we're going to go back through the top part, and this is why I like these bars, because you can kind of move it out of the way and squeeze the strap through it better. Okay, we're going to put it through like that. I'm going to pull my strap this way more, and now you can see that we have the rectangle here, and we can take this piece and we can adjust how much of that is over, because we want to sew this strap down. Now if you don't want to sew, you can use your rivets, but I'm just going to push it through to make it shorter. Just a little bit. And there we go. So we don't need very much, just enough so that we can take it and we can put it underneath our presser foot. And you're going to sew a box, a rectangle, you can do an X in the middle. And because this strap is really thick, if you wanted to do it by folding over those raw edges, you would need an industrial for vinyl. Now if you are making the strap out of canvas or cotton, you could definitely fold this over and then sew it down. Just keep in mind that you might need to use a leather or heavy duty needle to be able to get through all the layers of fabric. But like I said, I'm going to be doing a rivet for this strap. And that makes things really easy. I just put 1, 2, and then I'm done, and it makes it look really nice. Now, I'm not doing that because this is just for demonstrations, but I'm just going to put a clip here. I would pull my strap through my adjustable slider, and now I have my finished strap. The only difference is that when we go to install this into our bag, we're going to take this little piece here, we're going to slip it through our rectangle hardware. I'll clip this into place. Now when you go to install this strap like you would according to the bag pattern instructions, you're going to put this on one side of your bag and this on the other side of your bag. This is going to be fairly thick, so just keep in mind, keep in mind what kind of strap you plan on making. Are you going to be able to get through all the layers of the bag plus 2 layers of strap? But at the end of the day, now you have an adjustable strap for your bag, and it's going to be so much nicer to be able to either throw over your shoulder or put it on your body crossbody. I'm just going to show you quickly how you would do it if you were making it into a removable adjustable strap. Now everything would be the same. The only difference is we would take this off and put a swivel clasp. And then on the other end, we would take that swivel clasp, put it on, and then we would do the same thing, either fold it once or fold it twice, depending on your strap, how thick it is, and all that stuff. Now, from then, you would take those 2 pieces and you would take a D-ring and you would attach it like this, and then you would make 2 of these and you would install those into your bag where you would install the non-removable strap. And then once it's done, then you would attach this onto your 2 D-rings on your bag. So I hope this helps you take your non-adjustable straps, make them longer, turn them into removable straps, or even just an adjustable strap that is not removable. And of course, don't forget to check out that new Ellie and Mac bag pattern. That will be in the link in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!